Hey there creators, welcome back to our channel. I'm Wei. Today is our day 15 and I have something super exciting lined up for you. Susubukan natin ang paggawa ng wearable art gamit ang Canva. So, first things first, open Canva and create a new design. Para sa tutorial na to, gagamitin natin ang t-shirt template. But you can apply these steps to any merchandise like mugs, tote bag, and even phone pieces. Canva offers a ton of ready-made templates, but today we will create custom designs from the scratch. Let's pick a blank canvas and unleash our creativity. Start by choosing your background color or pattern. Para sa t-shirt, simple and solid color works best. Next, add some text. Choose fun, bold fonts that stands out. Type in your message, something catchy and inspirable. Ngayon, magdadagdag tayo ng graphics. Maraming icons, illustration at photos ang library ng Canva. Search for elements that match your mix and match elements until you're happy with the layout. Remember, less is more. Keep it clean and visually appealing. Adjust the colors to ensure everything pops. And there you have it, a custom t-shirt design made with Canva. Once you are satisfied with your design, you can download it and upload it to any print-on-demand service. Simply click on the download button, choose your file type. PNG file is great for high-quality prints and save it to your computer. Ang paggawa ng sarili mong merchandise ay hindi lang masaya kundi isang magandang paraan para ipakita ang iyong creativity at para makapag-extra income rin. And ano ba yung mga extra income na pwede mong gawin bukod sa paggawa ng sarili mong, for example, clothing line? Una, pag-layout ng design para sa iba. Pwede kang mag-commission base or print on demand. Gagawa ka ng graphic design, ibebenta mo sa Etsy through Printify, Amazon, at marami pang iba. Then, digital products like Canva Templates, diba? So, speaking of Canva Templates, I would like to invite you to visit my Market.ph or coffee shop. I have a lot of Canva Templates to choose from that you can use for personal or for your printing business. I also offer services. So check it out now. You see the link below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Happy designing. See you on next video for day 16 of our Canva tutorial. I'm Wei.